Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. This is a new episode of Naomi's house. You need to create a hook for the handle of the phone, and I got wood. I cut it out and it kept breaking at the curvature here in the middle. So what I'm thinking is I'll cut it out in cardstock, and by the time I get glue all over this and get it painted, it should fit that little slot right there. So what I'm going to do is pop these all out. I don't know how many I need. I drew these up in my Silhouette studio, and I just cut out 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut out 24. I don't think I'll need that many. Anyway, it's going to go in here after I'm all done. So what I'm going to do is pour out a little bit of my glue. This is just matte Mod. Oh, geez Louise. That's way too much. I don't want to waste all that. Put the lid back on that because I'm a klutz. I love to tip things over. I'm like a cat. Anyway, get a little bit of glue, and I'm just going to add it to the back half for now. And I forgot my little pencil here. Just one sec. This is a Japanese pencil. No writing. Anyways, it's kind of like got a waxy, so I'm just going to very carefully put that on there. And then make sure that this is even. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. I just got some black paint, black acrylic paint. A little bit black. Works! Yay! Whoop. All right, so now what I'm gonna do. We'll let that dry. I'm for some paint. Okay, we'll let this dry now. Really good. We'll test it out and then we'll hang it on the wall. I added some super glue to this because the Mod Podge was still flexible. So now I'm just going to pop this down on there. Now we need some tack-it. You have to excuse me, I was cleaning out some jars and I got stencil paint all over me. I'm just trying to get this to the point where it's sticky. I'm ready to hang this up. Hopefully that blue tack will work well. There. How's that look? I like it. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.